Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes for the amazing assignment of class 4 for the day 6. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of large numbers. Okay, shall we go to the first question, children? Yes. Form the smallest 4-digit numbers using 4, 7, 0, 8 without repeating the digits. Going to the solution, how to form the smallest 4-digit number. How to form the smallest 4-digit number. This concept is related to forming of numbers. So whenever we want to form a smallest number with the given digits, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. So what are the given digits? What are the given digits? The given digits are 4, 7, 0, 8. So, now we will arrange the numbers in the ascending order to form the smallest 4-digit number. So, what is the smallest number? 0, 4, 7, 8. So, if I write the 0 at the starting of the number, the 0 is not having the value. So, it will become a 3-digit number. But they asked to form the 4-digit number. So, in this case, the 0 should not write first. The 0 should be placed continued for the next smallest number. So, what is the next smallest number? 4. So, 4 and 0 is continued by this number 4, 0, 7, 8. The smallest 4-digit number is 4078. I can write the number name also for this. 4078. 4078. I hope you understood the first question. Let us move on to the second question. So what is the second question? The second question is the successor of 6999 is dash. The successor of 6999 is dash. Yes, children, you know in the third standard about the successor and the predecessor. What is meant by successor? What is meant by successor? Successor means just after number. Successor means just after number. What is meant by just after number? How can we get the just after number? Adding by 1 to the given number. We can get a successor by adding 1 to the given number. By adding 1 to the given number. What is the given number? They are asking the successor of 6999. To get the successor, what we have to do? Adding 1 to that number. So add 1. That means plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over. Again 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 carry over. 6 plus 1 is 7000. So 7000 is the successor of 6999. Now we are in the 4th standard. We should not add like this. We should say that directly what is the successor of that number. So if a number is ending with continuous 9s. I am telling about the successor of a number. If a number in the successor, if you want to find out the successor of the given number and the number is ending with continuous 9s, the 9 will be replaced by 0. And whatever the number present after the 9, it will be added by 1 or it will be increased by 1. So added means 6 plus 1, that is 7. So the successor of 6999 is 7000. Once again I am explaining, children. They asked to find the successor of 6999. What is mean by successor? Successor means just after number. How we will get the just after number? We get the just after number by adding 1 to the given number. If I add 1 to the given number, it will become 7000. Every time we can't add like this, so we will follow a tricky method. If a number is ending by, only if a number is ending with a continuous 9, the 9s will be replaced by zeros, whereas after the whatever the number is there, it is increased by 1. Here it is 6, increased by 1 means 6 plus 1, that is 7. So the total, the successor of the given number is 7000. Shall we move on to the third question, children? What is the third question? Choose the correct option. What is the third question? Choose the correct option. Third question. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. For what they are asking to choose the correct option? The predecessor of the predecessor of 4000. The predecessor of 4000 is first option 4001. Second option 4000. And the third option 3999. Once again I am reading the question. They are asking to choose the correct option for the given question. What is the question? The predecessor of 4000. So they are given the three options. First one is 4001, 4000, and third one is 3999. So what they are asking? They are asking the predecessor. They are asking the predecessor. What is mean by predecessor, children? Predecessor means just after number. Just after, just before number. What is mean by predecessor? It is just before number. Just before number. How can we get just before number? We can get just before number by subtracting 1 to the given number. By subtracting 1 to the given number. By subtracting 1 to the given number. What is the number they have given? 4000. Subtracting 1. 4000 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. So borrow from the next place. 4 will become 3, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. This 9 will come as it is. And this 9 as it is. So 3 will come. So the predecessor of 4000 is 3999. I told a tricky method for the successor. I am telling the predecessor also. If a number, I am speaking about the predecessor, children. If a number is ending with continuous zeros, if a number is ending with continuous zeros, the zeros are replaced by 9. And whatever the next to the 0, it will be decreased by 1. I am speaking about the predecessor once again, children. If a number is ending with continuous zeros, the zeros will be replaced by 9, and whatever the number after the 0 will be decreased by 1. That means decreased means subtraction. 4 minus 1, 3. So the predecessor of 4000 is 3999. I hope you got the answer, children. Let us move on to the next question. The next question is, question. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. What are the numbers we will see? 6,187, 8,716, 6,117, 6,717. These are the numbers. What they asked to do? They asked to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. Arranging the numbers from small to big. Small to big. So if we want to arrange the numbers, we should compare the numbers. We should compare the numbers. Which is the smallest number? Which is the biggest number? To compare, first we write down the numbers. 6,187, 8,716, 6,170, 6,770. These are the numbers. So first thing what we had to do? We had to compare the numbers to find out which is the smallest number, which is the biggest numbers. If you want to compare the numbers, we had to compare from the highest place. So highest places. Here 6,000, 8,000, 6,000, 6,000. Here only the 8,000 it is the biggest number, but ascending order we have to arrange in the small to big, smallest number to biggest number. See, all the highest places are repeated. So if the numbers are repeated with the highest places, we will move on to the second place. What is the second place? Second highest place, hundreds place. Sorry, this is no need. Second place is hundreds place. Here 100, here 100, here 700. So 100, 100, again the place is repeated with the same value. We will move on to the next place, that is tens place. Here 8, here 10. So 8 is bigger than 10. So this is the smallest number. 6,117. Next, this is the smallest, 6,187. Next one, 6,717. As the last one, 8,760. These are the numbers which have arranged in the ascending order. I hope so you understood, children. Shall we move on to the next question? So, what is the next question? Fifth question. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order. The numbers are 7,865, 7,765, 8,765, 7,675. These are the numbers they have given, and they are asking us to arrange in the descending order. So, how to arrange the numbers in the descending order? What is meant by descending order? Descending order means arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Arranging the numbers from big to small. Let us see what are the digits they have given for us. So the numbers are 7,865, 7,765, 8,765, 7,675. These are the numbers they have given for us. So before arranging, we should compare the numbers to find out which is the biggest number and which is the smallest number. If you want to compare the numbers, you have to start from the highest place of the number. 7,000, 7,000, 8,000, 7,000. So all are starting with the 7,000. Only this number is starting with the 8,000. So that is the biggest number, 8,765. Okay. Next. So next we have to check. Here also 7,000, here also 7,000. The highest places are repeated. If the highest places are repeated, we have to move on to the next place. That is hundreds place. That is hundreds place. Here 800, 700, 600. So 800 is the biggest number. So 7,865. Next 7,000. So this also finished. Next 7,765. So this also finished. Why here 700? Here 600. So this is the biggest number. Next finally remaining is 7,675. These are the numbers which are arranged in the descending order. I think so you understood, children. Thank you very much, and next we will meet you in the next assignment. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.